pull out your phone and I want you to search for whatever type of industry you are. So if you're a hairdresser, I want you to search for hairdresser. I want you to press a space and I want to type in your location. Put your hand up in the room if you've ever done that before. You should be doing that all the time because this is going to tell you who your competitors are, but it's not going to tell you who competitors are on the street that's next to you, because there's a very, very big difference to who's next to you and who's actually getting all the traffic from the searches online. Is anyone advertising on that search? Can you see any ads there? No? You've got a big opportunity. That's because generally no one is advertising for lots of these searches. If you're in the home loans industry, you will have multiple people bidding on Google. The cost per click for a home loans click is generally somewhere between $50 and $100 a click. In your space, it's significantly lower. In some cases, it could be less than 10, 15 cents if you're the only person bidding in that area. So depending on where you are, there'll be different levels of competition.
How does it feel when you book an Uber, you get into the car, you jump out, you don't have to get your wallet out, you don't have to fuss with any of that, you just say goodbye and carry on with the rest of your day. That technology, in the cloud technology that we have now, is enabling us to provide that exact same experience in the salon, spa and clinic environment. And this is coming sooner than we think, and I think it's going to make a really big impact on our industry, and we need to get that right.